and gentlemen, a very warm welcome. And the most important question of the day, have you remembered to cheer for yourself today? I do hope so.
Welcome to the Happiness Refuel Station. Now, for our daily moment of clarity.
And this channel assumes no responsibility for any losses. With that wisdom imparted, let's talk about a king that's not losing, the US dollar.
Aggressive
The
is
clock
one
ticks.
word.
Two paths, the safe graduate scheme or my own terrifying, brilliant idea.
Found this in a late-night rabbit hole of code and philosophy. An algorithm that speaks
My grand vision, reduced to 2 fighting serpents of code. The potential is massive, but the burn rate.
Stagnation. Not the ringing endorsement I was looking for. It's telling me to stop, to pull back.
The Yi-Jing gives the what, stop. Sun Tzu provides the how. This isn't
You
giving
fall
up.
in love with your own plans.
That's the trap.
So that 0.7%.
The point wasn't to get a yes or no. It was to understand the why. It taught me not what to think. So my little startup is saved. But so what? What's the point of building something brilliant in a...
The engine is pushing back, but
A
fixed a mirror.
Yi-Friend circle, instantly connected. No ego, just ideas. Her biodata, his financial model.
This is the network. It's not about who you know. It's what you're willing to share.
So that's the journey. From a binary choice to a dynamic system.
The new conflict.
For me, it's not a choice anymore. It's a path. A path of deeper questions
Speaking
and
of things
bolder
of value,
collaboration.
women, love, gold. It's a tale as old as time, isn't it? The jewelry ads make
Jason
that
sees a
abundantly
love
clear.
affair. I see ancient wisdom. Gold is the ultimate representation of the earth element in Eastern
A
philosophy.
fascinating philosophy. But let's look at the strategy. The data reveals a tactical puzzle. American women are less likely than...
Aggressive is one word. I see it more as a system showing a fever.
Question it? They threw the diagnosis in the bin. The probability of a July rate cut wasn't just scaled back, it was practically erased.
And even September is no longer a certainty. The path forward has become clouded. The hexagram is shifting.
Men prioritize wealth growth.
Women seek security, like BoJ's rate freeze this week. Risk averse?
Gold
Wise.
underwhelming. Paris Airshow drones soared higher.
Yet 36%
Financial
women
security
bought
and
gold.
growth aren't foes. They're Tijil's dance. Fine.
But iPhone 17 China launch. Tech stocks
Men
tempt like
diversify,
sirens. But Nairobi climate talks show green stocks volatility.
Gold stability.
Gold at peaks, Mideast tensions surge oil, inflation looms.
But Art of War warns, do not press a desperate foe.
A new conflict.
Patience.
When gold shines too bright, does it blind?
Next week, decode gold's hexagram under Fed rate
Security?
decisions.
Gold's Megadus 2% drop as Felix hit.
Diversification's a lifesaver.
Men's risk appetite?
Sun Tzu-
Artemis Sukkot delay sank aerospace stocks. Yi-Jing warns. Excess invites
BOE
collapse.
held rates. Property stocks rallied of gold's irrelevant.
Increase comes from balance. Gold ETFs rose 8 pound ounces of the pound
Women's
stumbled.
15% gold bar buys?
Hexagram 8, Unity. Simplicity outplays complexity. Fed held rates. Security gold gained nothing.
Art of War, do not disturb calm waters. Gold's plus 8%
Men's 14%
YTD.
coin buys? False courage.
Yi-Jing 51, Shock 1, prepare for falls.
Women's emergency
Avalanche?
fund? Sun Tzu. Secure your base first.
Base? TSMC's 2nm chips will revolutionize. US inflation hit 3.8%.
Gold stability lost to Bitcoin's 20% surge.
Abundance blinds. Gold's humility protects.
Protection. UK recession fears. Gold
Final
just a shiny
conflict.
bomb
Is gold
roll.
wisdom or cowardice?
Next, non-farm payrolls. Will Gold's hexagram 52 mountain withstand the quake?
Gobs data quake. Buying.
Mountain
Your mountain.
unshaken.
Nvidia crashed 8% post TSMC blackout. Cavalry retreats.
Inflation's flood?
Crypto's quicksand. Celsius Network sued back again.
Gold's rope? India hiked import taxes 15% duller now.
Indian women own 11% global gold.
Hexagram 2. Receptive Earth.
Google's Gemini AI stock surge. Tech crushes tradition.
But Swiss gold refineries automated. Balance.
Saudi oil cuts. Inflation hurricane. Gold's oasis is a mirage.
Women's
Art of
15%
war.
bars. Hexagram 48, the well and deep, unchanging value.
ChatGPT-5's ATB pound raise.
Japan's
Wells and
maglev
medieval.
hits 600 kilometers an hour. Your rickshaw's obsolete.
Gold rickshaws in Dubai. Luxury endures.
Gold's 10-year CAGR, 7.2%.
Slow victory.
Chip stock's 300% leaps. Your general's asleep.
NASA finds gold-rich asteroid.
You're with store of value.
Common rubble. Balance. Diversified portfolios outperform 12% YOY.
Bowie's Bailey warns of persistent inflation. Gold's rod grounds chaos.
But Amazon's drone delivery IPO.
Alibaba's
progress.
15% surge. Yang beads win.
Gold's 5% weekly gain. Yin
Swiss
holds
gold
center.
vaults at minus 25 degrees Celsius.
Cool security. Meta's VR iceberg melted. Yang melts
conflict.
all.
Can Yang's fire boil Yin's water without vaporizing value?
Next, Jackson Hole Symposium. Sun Tzu meets Powell.
UK recession deepened.
BTPTP5's 83 IPO. Fire consumes tradition.
Tradition?
Gold imports up 19%. Hexagram 29. Water, adapt or drown.
Use AI. Harmony bid, Barracks costs fell 15%.
But Bitcoin's lightning crashed exchanges. Meta crashed 10% on VR losses. Killin's Yang Hoof. Gold ETFs rose 3%.
Women's
Killin's Yin
80
Horn.
pound global gold wealth. Stillness triumphs.
Men's 15 T-pound equity control. Motion
NASA's gold
conquers.
asteroid mission.
Cosmic Yang.
Earth's core holds 99% gold. Eternal
Sun
Yin.
Tzu. Know yourself. No markets.
Satoshi. Code is truth.
EU's CHIPS Act funded. Cables win.
Zimbabwe gold-backed ZIG stable. Veins endure.
Saudi gold reserves hit record. Compass finds true north.
Neom AI City funded. GPU mines virtual gold.